Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the Battle for the Reichstag diorama set pieces. Not sure what I'll call this. Yeah, it's all part of that Battle for the Reichstag diorama. We're working on the Panzer IV. We decided to go with the version 2, so the F2, which has the long cannon on it. So where we left off, we got our turret and the cannon all in. That's ready to snap on the top when it's ready to go. But as we looked at the instructions, notice we got to put the back on first before we can put the top of the hull on. So what we're gonna do, and it looks like we should probably put the tow hooks on too first. Yeah, it's got a lot more to do than I thought. But let's go ahead and get our, we got them little lights too we got to get on there. I think what I will start with is this front section here. I'm going to go ahead and drop it. Just drop it. We're going to place that in here. Snaps right in there, thanks to the help of a little bit of flash. Make sure it's seated all the way, and I'm just going to go from the back. Put a dab of glue where each pin goes, and then I will go all the way around. That front piece like so. And that is glued on. We'll put this off to the back here because it looks like it would be easier to get these little bitty pieces on. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Look at how tiny them lights are. That is something else. We'll be lucky not to lose these. Got one. Drop it there. Let's go ahead and cut the other light off. Like so. Drop that there. And I'll put this off to the side for now. What I'm gonna do is try my best to get these on right, because they are tiny. Last time I built one of these tanks, I tried to hold them with my tweezers and they went flying across the room. We're gonna have to open that up a little bit. I've noticed a lot on this kit. I've had to open up the holes a bit. Alright. Now, if I can get it in the right position. Very, very tiny pieces. Oh man, this is hard. Can you press in there for me? It did. But you know what it did? It sticks to my thumb. I tried to lift it out. Okay, so it looks like wow. twist. There we go. That is a really, really tiny piece. Kind of happy with that. Right there. Hit it with glue. We are going to wait a bit. Oh, I don't think I could have done any better. Don't think I could have done any better. I'm surprised I haven't even taken my glasses off either to... I think we're gonna have to... This one I rounded the hole a little bit more than I should have. So it's gonna be looser. Put some glue in there. Let's see if we can get it to stay. Oh, I like it. Back a little bit further. Like that. And I think that's a... I'm going to turn that light down. Boy, I hope the whole... There it is. Okay. So we need to get the back on here. But first, we need... There's a tank right there. The fuel tank. I believe that's supposed to be. Alright, let's put that on first. That'd probably make things a little bit easier. Oh, that snaps in nice. Really nice. Give some glue back here. And then we can put it on the back. Like this, and we're just going to get the glue and just follow the seams there. Okay, now we need to get those front hooks in for some more small detail. Shows them going in right there. And they're both labeled number 10. So let's see if we can cut them away without making them airborne. Sorry, my sprue cutters are getting dull. They don't seem to be cutting. There we go. That one's down. Yeah, they don't seem to be cutting as well. This will be fun to sand. Get half of my hand with it. All right. Actually cut them pretty good. And then we'll slide them into position. Wide part to the top, it looks like so. Put some glue on that. Wide part up on that one too. Like so. Let it sit for a bit, and we do need to put the or no, this is the exhaust on it, isn't it? I think that's the exhaust. I'm not terrible familiar with tanks, but I do believe that's the exhaust. I'm gonna just go a little bit on the outsides of these two. I want the hooks to fall off. So we need 7 on the left. Actually, now that we got the hooks in on the back, we can go ahead and glue this down. Whoops. I guess I was supposed to put the back on second. Oh, good thing it came off all right. And I didn't break my deals there. So I'm gonna go ahead and go down the seam here, and then the same in the bottom, because I did break it free. Like so. I didn't have that clamped down very good. There we go. Just hold that tight for a sec, let it set up. And now we can get 7 and 8. This is 7 for that side. And 8 for that side. And I believe we were finished with this, right? Because this support goes with the F1 version. So we were done with the sprue tree. Let's go ahead and clean up these a little bit. Looks like everything, all the holes needed to be opened up a bit. Let's put it the right way, though. I think it'd look better if we put it the right way. Like so. And then clean this one up. Slide that in. Like that. I'll just give it a little bit of glue. There. Like that. And then the last thing to do is snap the turret on. Oh yeah, we got good aiming capabilities there. And this just simply should snap on the top. And I might have... There we go. There we go. We have a Panzer IV. Like that. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and see you guys next time.